Let us consider one more example. Suppose you have got a cake, circular cake, and out of that circular cake, you have given one part to your friend, say his name is Rohit. So this pink portion is for Rohit, and you have given two portions to your friend called two friend named Ritu. Blue portion is for Ritu. The pink portion is for Rohit. So you can say that the total portions taken by your friend is 3 out of 5. 1 for Rohit and 2 for Ritu, and 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So 3 portions have been taken by your friends. So let me write down this mathematically. So 1 out of 5 parts represents Rohit, this portion, and this portion represents 2 by 5. So we have found that total 3 out of 5 have been taken by your friends. So you can carry out this numerical addition problem as earlier by adding the numerators. What we are doing? Adding the numerators, and here you see the denominators are same, equal to 5. So we will keep the denominator same. So keep denominator same. This is important, to keep the denominator same. Please do not add the denominators also. You may do like 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So 3 by 10 is the right answer. No, you keep the denominator same. Please remember this thing. So 5 and numerator. So you see that this is the part of the chocolate, the cake enjoyed by your friends Rohit and Ritu. So we have arrived at the answer both pictorially by drawing picture and also mathematically by solving this mathematical equation. Now if you are now asked, you are left with what portion of the cake? So left with what portion of the cake? Then obviously this will be equal to 5 upon 5, representing the whole portion, minus 3 by 5, which is equal to, for subtraction also we will do the same thing as we have done in the addition. We will subtract the numerator as given. So 5 minus 3, and we will keep the denominator same. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 5. So 2 upon 5 is the fraction or portion left for you after you have given the other parts to your friends. So you can count here also that the green portion, the number of green portions, this is 1 and this is 2. So you are left with 2 out of total 5 portions. At this point of time, let us discuss another instance. So we have seen that Ritu has got 2 portions, that is Ritu has got 2 out of 5 portions, or Ritu's portion is 2 by 5, and out of that portion she gave one portion. After getting back to her home, she gave one portion to her little sister. So now if you are asked how much portion is left for Ritu, then you will see that out of 2 portion, 1 is left for Ritu. So this you have done pictorially. Now if you solve that mathematically, so 2 out of 5 minus, so to start with, Ritu has 2 by 5 portion of cake and she gave 1 by 5 portion of cake to her sister. So now she will be left with, again doing the same thing, taking the numerators and doing the operations given in between. Here we have got the minus sign, so 2 minus 1, and keeping the denominator same. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 5. So you can see that Ritu is left with 1 by 5 portion if she has gifted one portion to her sister. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is again 1 by 5. Now let us take some more examples. Suppose you are given a subtraction problem, 5 upon 96 minus 2 upon 96. So 96. So how will you do that? It is not possible for you to make a picture or make a chocolate bar and divide that into 96 equal parts and shade 5 parts and 2 parts and doing certain operations drawing pictures. So here it will be a nice idea or a better idea to solve it mathematically. So again we are going to subtract the numerators and we will keep the denominator same. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and 96. 15 upon 179 plus 132 by 179. How will you do that? Again, keep the denominator same. Why? Because the denominators are same over here. So you can see that in such type of operation, in such type where we are keeping the denominator same, such operations are possible only if you are given to add numbers which are having, if you are given fractions having same denominator, or we call them the like fractions. So here we will add the numerators 132. So this will be equal to 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 3 4 5. So 147 upon 170. Such type of operations can be done even if you are given more than two such fractions. Suppose let us take an example, 45 upon say 298 plus 32 upon 298 minus 4 upon 298. Here again, as because the denominators are same equaling 298, we will keep the denominator same over here 298, and instead of drawing pictures and solving it, taking time to solve it, we will do that numerically. 45 plus 32 minus 4. So you can solve it very simply. 45 plus 32 is 77 minus 4 will be equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7. So this will be equal to 73 by 298. So such way we can add or subtract like fractions. It is very important to note that such type of operations are possible only if the denominators are same, and here we only have to carry out operations like subtraction or addition with the numerators, keeping the denominator same. I hope the discussion makes sense to you. Keep practicing such questions for more clarity. Thank you.